Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Again, I hope I'm pronouncing this word right. So this is by Tomica and this is from the premium series. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. And I really love the Cadillacs, the older one specifically, because I don't know. I do love Cadillacs for some reason. Because they look really beautiful. More specifically, like 99% of the older cars, it always looks so beautiful. It doesn't matter whether it's running on the road or it is just sitting on the driveway or in your garage, it still looks beautiful. Okay, here it is. So this is 1 by 75 scale, and let's see how this one looks. So Bubrago did the exact casting recently. I was not able to get that one. It was sold out. Okay. Okay. Let me just. There's nothing inside the box. If you guys are wondering, let me just put this aside. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, it actually looks absolutely gorgeous. There is nothing to complain here. The rims looks really nice, and so the headlights are not even painted, but it is just embossed. And I'm really not sure why Tomica did that. Usually they do really well with premiums, but I'm not complaining here because they still gave this embossed headlights. I really wish they added some kind of acrylics here, and so it doesn't have any openable. Yeah, it doesn't have any openable part. So you can see the interior also here, which looks really nice. I think it is a small scratch here. I don't know if it is scratch or something, but you can see something here, right? I think something from the inside. So I never had that much of issue with Tomica, but I think this is the first time. Maybe once or twice in this past 2 years, but not so much. So the tail lights here, which looks really cool, like something from out of space. That's one of the reason I love Cadillacs, specifically the tail lights. I do have one more Cadillac in M2. I think Eldorado, I guess. I forgot the name now, but that looked so beautiful. I bought it right away. So I will be unboxing those also sometime soon. I'm not getting enough time, but soon it will be there. Okay, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Okay, I don't know if this is sheet metal or just chromed out plastic. Yeah, it is plastic. So the chassis is plastic, but it does have some detailing to it, which is really nice. Till the exhaust, it is having detail, and it is not too chromed out. Like Hot Wheels does. It is a bit subtle, which is really nice. You can see that fonts here when I'm just showing it directly under the light. Let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension, which is really nice. I really wish they could have added some kind of openable part here. So let's weigh this casting. Okay, it is 33 grams, which is okay because it's not full metal or anything. So if you guys are wondering, the wheels are actually plastic, that is not rubber. So one thing I came to know recently is I bought my first TLV recently. I'll be showcasing that soon. So that has rubber tires actually. So TLVs has rubber tires when it comes to Tomica, but not the premium or the mainline ones, if you guys are wondering. So the paint job is really nice. I don't see any issues so far, and I don't want to jinx it. It says Eldorado here. So that another Eldorado I was talking about, I'm not sure if that is that. I need to see that once. Okay, let's do a roll test now. So Tomica is not really good on rolling part, but let's see. Okay, it's okay. I can say it is not really good. It has a lot of noise and wobbles a lot. The wheels wobble a lot, as you can see, but still it at least reaches till the end. It is closer to the end, which is okay in my opinion compared to Hot Wheels mainlines and all. Those are specifically made to be played with. So apart from that, the detailing looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.